Hello everyone. Today, I'm taking you on a tour of the Vietnam Military History Museum, where the heroic imprints of Vietnam's national history are preserved. The museum is located in Hai Duc District, Hanoi, near Thang Long Avenue. Now, let's step inside and explore. The outdoor exhibition area consists of two sections. The left section displays outdoor artifacts, including weapons and equipment used by the Vietnamese army and people during the resistance wars. In the center stands the museum building, featuring a prominent front yard and the 45-meter-high Victory Tower. The main museum structure consists of 4 above-ground floors and 1 basement level. The outdoor exhibition area of the museum displays weapons and military equipment used by the French and American forces during the War of Invasion in Vietnam. Notable exhibits include the self-propelled artillery, known as the King of the Battlefield, along with various aircraft such as. On both wings of the building is a symbolic structure representing the aspiration for peace, featuring tree branches, green sprouts, and doves soaring from the wreckage of aircraft. Stepping through the main hall, you will see the Silver Swallow MiG-21, numbered 4324, which shot down 14 enemy aircraft. The exhibition space is divided into different periods, corresponding to various stages of Vietnam's national history. Additionally, there are many other historical artifacts waiting for you to explore and experience.